So over here, I am in a day view, as you can see. But let's say what I want to do is I want to view a week, but only the working days. Then I can go around and click on work week. Once you do that, you can see Monday through Friday right here, because Saturday and Sunday are considered weekends and holiday. But let's say you want to change it out, maybe from a place where you are, maybe Sunday is a working day or Saturday is a working day. And in that case, what you can do is you can go around over here onto view right here, then go to calendar settings. Once you do that, over here on the calendar view section, you can see that set work week as is an option. Let's say Sunday is a working day right here. So once you go around and press OK right here, just like this, so now you can see from Sunday through Friday over here. Similarly, let's say for example, Monday isn't a working day right here, but Tuesday through Saturday is. So once you go around, you can select out all of these right here and the Sunday as well, press OK. And then instead of Monday, you see Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday right here. And let's say you have an alternative work schedule, then you can simply do that right here. So let's just go around over here, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday right here, press OK, and you only have 3 days of work week, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can set the work week days inside of Microsoft Outlook as you like. So hope you found this video useful and learned something as always. So please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.